What's going on, everybody? So I just got off work and I had a little bit of a surprise waiting for me at home. I got a brand new package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, open it up. Whoa, pull it out this way. Nice.
What's in it? Tie. What's up in this?
Keep going.
It's going. Huh? It's
Wow. Wow. What's this one?
What's in it?
That one's super cool. Okay, let's see the piece behind you.
This was
Yeah.
in it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. That's cool.
Bakes.
What's in there? What's in there?
Some bakes.
Yeah, what else is in there?
How I can get these bakes up.
Okay, give it a second, Aiden. Really hard to do with one hand. Whoa, Bubba.
I can't get this one. How we get this one off?
So if you guys couldn't tell, I got an Icon variant new helmet for the motorcycle. This one is the Battle Scarred. You can kind of see it. Battle Scar. So here's what the variant looks like compared to an MX style of helmet and an actual sport bike or super bike, whatever you want to call them, style of helmet. This is an older helmet and it hasn't been used for a while, but this was my current helmet that I've been riding with. And I love this helmet, don't get me wrong, but it's just not the style that I've been wanting. I've been wanting something with a visor that's always with it so I can wear sunglasses underneath if I want, or do something else, have it open, have it closed, whatever. The goggles kind of get cumbersome after a while. They seem to always be dirty. And then this one also has vents. So it's actually got a chin vent. It's got 2 vents up top, 2 eyebrow vents, and then I think there's 2 in the back. So it's got plenty of airflow, plus it's a super high quality helmet. So this one comes with a clear lens, and it actually comes with a smoked lens, and then a chin strap, and it comes in this really nice bag that actually doubles as a helmet bag or a backpack. It's got drawstrings on it, and you can tighten it down to have a backpack, or throw your helmet in it and walk around with it. Now, one thing to not lose if you have one is this little, I guess it'd be considered a bit. So this bit is for the sides there. Underneath that plate is a screw that you can undo with this little bit there. So don't lose that. And it also comes with the chin strap. So this will help with colder weathers, and it also comes with a smoked lens. So I would be changing it to that, but I've actually got another lens that I'm going to put on it in a later video. But that's what the Icon variant looks like compared to an MX. I wanted a little bit more of an adventure style. That's what this is considered, as an adventure helmet. And it's top rated. Everybody seems to love it that has it. So it's not quite the helmet for a sport bike, but it's got that more aggressive look than a standard sport bike helmet does. So, that being said, I went with the variant. It had I really like this battle scar print that it has on it. It's got stuff everywhere, it seems like. And then it's also got its own separate liner. Hydro dry stuff. It's supposed to be super dry, so we'll see. This will become the everyday helmet for me. So here's what it looks like on. Here's what it looks like on. The visor has a couple different settings that you can set it to. There's a little tab right here that you can play with. But overall, thoroughly like this helmet. Now I'm keeping the stickers on here because this has an actual protective film over it. You can kind of see that it's got a protective film over it, and since I'm going to be changing that out, I might as well just keep it on and live with it for the day. The fit is very snug. I've got a smaller head. That's why I went with the medium, but it's nice to have actually a decent fitting helmet because this one actually hugs my cheeks, but it doesn't hit my ears. It's really nice because it's snug, and I had one of my old MX helmets I had actually pinched my ear, and the ear would always be set down. No matter what I did about it, I could have it even pushed up, and it would eventually come down and wear on your ear. Now, when you're riding, at this time it was snowmobiles, but when you're riding for an hour or two, that pressure on your ears, you don't think it's much, but it is completely, it's unbearable. I couldn't stand wearing the helmet. It was to the point where at the end of the day, I couldn't wait to get the helmet off. I'd even ride back slow with the helmet off because my ears would hurt so bad. And that was a large helmet. That might have been the contributing factor to it, but I have a medium and it does the same thing, and it's the same helmet, just different color. So, anyways, I moved on to a better helmet. This one will get me down the road a lot more, a little bit safer, and I think it looks a little bit better than any of the other helmets that I've come across. Cool. Well, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing video of my brand new Battle Scar Icon variant helmet. I'm in love with it, and I hope that you guys like it because you're going to see a little bit more of it on the channel. If you've got a Icon variant helmet, what do you have? Even if it's not an Icon variant helmet, what kind of helmet do you ride with? I'd be very interested to hear what people's preferences are, because I know that Shui makes a really nice helmet, and then there's a couple other really nice helmets out there. But what do you guys ride with? And if you have a personal preference with a brand, why? If you have a certain face shield that you like or a screen that you like, let me know. I'm always interested in what people like and why they like it. So maybe I can check it out later. There's a very limited kind of run for the variant, but who knows? They might have it. Anyways, drop a comment, leave a like, let me know what you think of the video. Do you have anything else you want to see about it? Do you want me to go and do a deeper review of the helmet? I'm going to do a review here probably a month in, maybe 2 months in, and see how I'm actually liking the helmet once I use it. So, with that being said, I'm going to get out of here. Take it easy, everybody, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.